Imagine if one city controlled the world's most important trade route. Now imagine that city suddenly falling to a new empire. In 1453, the fall of Constantinople changed global trade forever and helped shape the modern world we live in today. Before 1453, Constantinople was one of the world's richest cities, located between Europe and Asia. It served as a major gateway for trade. Goods such as spices, silk, jewelry, and luxury products passed through the city before reaching European markets. In 1453, Sultan Mehmed II and the Ottoman Empire launched a massive attack on Constantinople. After weeks of siege and bombardment, the city finally fell on May 29th, ending the Byzantine Empire after more than 1,000 years. The Ottoman Empire now controlled a major crossroads between Europe and Asia. European merchants faced higher costs, new restrictions, and dependence on roads controlled by powerful middlemen. Trade became more complicated, encouraging European nations to search for alternatives. More expensive trade, less direct access, dependence on foreign routes. To avoid reliance on traditional trade routes, European nations began exploring the oceans. Portugal searched for a route around Africa, while Spain financed Christopher Columbus' westward voyage. These expeditions opened new maritime trade networks and transformed world commerce. New sea routes, exploration, global trade begins. The search for alternative routes contributed to the age of exploration. Trade shifted toward Atlantic powers such as Portugal and Spain, and eventually connected Europe, Africa, Asia, and the Americas through global trade networks. The lesson of Constantinople remains relevant today. Modern economies still demand on strategic trade routes. When key routes are disrupted, global prices, supply chains, and trade can be affected. History shows that control of trade corridors can influence the entire world. 1453, Constantinople. The fall of Constantinople was more than a military conquest. It was a trade issue that reshaped world commerce, encouraged exploration, and helped create the interconnected global economy we know today. Control of trade routes can change world history.
Constantinople was the jewel of the Byzantine Empire, sitting at the crossroad between Europe and Asia. For centuries, it was the gateway for goods traveling along the Silk Road. Spices, silk, and precious material made their way into Europe through the vital city. This trade fueled wealth, innovation, and competition among European kingdoms. But in 1453, everything changed. The Ottoman Turks, led by Sultan Mehmed II, captured Constantinople after one of the most famous sieges in history. With their powerful cannons and massive armies, the Ottomans ended the Byzantine Empire and transformed Constantinople into Istanbul, the capital of their empire. The capture of Constantinople had enormous consequences for Europe. The Ottomans now controlled the key trade routes that connected Europe to Asia. Access to goods like spices became more expensive. As the Ottomans imposed heavy taxes and trade restrictions, for Europeans, this was a crisis. They could not afford to depend on the Ottomans for the lifeline of Asia trade. This problem forced European nations to think differently. If land routes through Constantinople were no longer reliable, then perhaps sea routes could provide a solution. This was the spark that ignited the age of exploration. Portugal took the lead of exploring the west coast of Africa, searching for a way to sail around the continent and reach Asia by sea. Their effort eventually succeeded, with Vasco da Gama reaching India at the end of the 15th century. Spain, however, wanted a fast route. They did not want to rely on Portugal's discoveries. This is where Christopher Columbus comes in. Columbus believed he could reach Asia by sailing west across the Atlantic Ocean. His idea might have seemed less urgent if Europe still had easy access to Asia through Constantinople. But with the Ottoman Empire controlling trade, European rulers were motivated to try risky alternatives. In 1942, Spain agreed to sponsor Columbus' voyage, hoping he would discover a new route to the reaches of the East. Instead of Asia, Columbus stumbled upon island the Caribbean. While he believed he had reached the outskirts of Asia, he had actually encountered a new world unknown to Europeans. This moment changed history forever, setting off centuries of exploration, colonization, and cultural exchange. When you connect the dots, it became clear that the discovery of America was directly linked to the fall of Constantinople. Without the loss of this vital trade hub, European nations may not have felt the same urgency to search for new routes. The Ottoman Empire's control over Constantinople closed one door, but opened another, pushing Europe to look westward and ultimately leading to the discovery of the Americas. It's also important to recognize the ripple effect. The fall of Constantinople didn't just affect trade, it also drove Greek scholars out of the city, many whom fled to Italy carrying ancient texts and knowledge. This helped fuel the Renaissance, which advanced science, navigation, and cartography. This intellectual development provided explorers like Columbus with the tools they needed to attempt such daring voyage. So, in a way, the fall of Constantinople set off two revolutions, one cultural, which sparked the Renaissance, and one geographical, which launched the age of exploration. Both of these came together to make the discovery of America possible. The connection between 1453 and 1942 is one of the most fascinating examples of how history is interconnected. A siege in Europe shifted the balance of global trade, forced innovation and exploration, and ultimately led to one of the most significant discoveries in human history.